This is a demonstration of how to use broadcast and receive. So we're going to look at some examples here. First, I have this little example with a dog and a cat. And when I click the green flag, the dog says something, Hannah loves Jake. And then the cat responds to the dog's whatever he says. Now, we could do this with a wait, right? So I could say, like, when the green flag's clicked, say gossip for 2 seconds. And then on the cat, I could tell the cat to wait 3 seconds, right? When the green flag's clicked, wait 3 seconds, and then say gossip two for 2 seconds. So it would look like this. Could do it without a broadcast. And I'd say, okay, Jake is in a band with Jake. Oh, but Malik helped Hannah. And right now it's all timed out. It works fine. The problem becomes if I go like, I want to do something like this and I want to say, good morning, right? And so he says good morning and then he says gossip. And now when I click the green flag, it says good morning, Hannah's, and then the cat's interrupting the dog because I changed the amount of seconds that he's saying something. So now I got to go into the cat and I have to adjust how long it waits. I look at the dog and I say, okay, 2 plus 2, 2 seconds, and then 2 more seconds. The cat needs to wait 5 seconds and then respond. And then over here, I would have to do something like, okay, you're going to wait 3 seconds so that after the cat responded, now the dog can respond back to the cat. Wow, I didn't know that. All right, so I run it and it's like, okay, good morning. Jake ran away from Miss C. Then the cat says, oh, but nobody ran away from Jake. Oh, and now the dog's not waiting long enough. So I have to wait longer than 3 seconds because the cat waited, 5 plus 3 is 8. And so I got 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 3 is 7. So I need to wait like 2 more seconds here. I have to wait 5 seconds so that the timing's right. And this really gets to be a pain as you add more dialogue or as you add more events that are happening. So we'd rather use something called broadcast and receive. So let's go ahead and do that. First, I'm going to fix my little mistake right here. Wow, I didn't know that. Okay. And rather than using all these weights and the timing, instead of starting the cat on the green flag, the cat's going to start when it receives a message. So the dog's going to start on the green flag. Good morning, says his gossip, and then he's going to broadcast over to the cat, your turn. Okay? And the cat's going to respond and say, oh, when I receive the message from the dog saying your turn, when I receive your turn, I'm going to say gossip for 3 seconds. And then after the cat broadcasts the gossip, they can broadcast a message back to you. And we can make a new message that says, like, maybe we'll call it respond. It doesn't matter what the name is. So when the cat receives your turn, it says it's gossip 2 back to the dog. Then it broadcasts to the dog, and the dog knows, hey, when I receive respond, then I'm going to say, wow, I didn't know that. Okay? Pretty simple. But now the green flag goes like this. Good morning. My cat ran away from Senora. Oh, but Mr. C listened to Hannah. Wow, I didn't know that. And even if I add more dialogue here, did you get the lowdown? Did you get the lowdown? And maybe we'll say that before they say their gossip. And so I've altered the timing but they're still going to run in the right order because they're triggered based on a message that's broadcast from one sprite to the other.